La da da dee, la da da da. Here we go. Shitty bangs, pass out instrumental. We just snatching it and inserting it and play that. My bad. Just came in from outside, man. Oh, it's hot out there. Okay. So, I mean, I might as well freestyle, you know. Play with it and all. Trust me, it ain't gonna be that good, but, might as well get that up. Doing with a brace. La-da-dee, la-da-da. Here we go. Oh, it didn't drop. Hold on. I think it's about to do it right here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yo, it is hot outside. I don't even know why I didn't get fried. Maybe it's because I am a human. I don't even understand. I ain't even planned for this freestyle to happen, and it suddenly did it. So guess I gotta catch him. Yes, I have gotta do it. Yes, I have gotta handle it. Guess I gotta do it, but we had never planned this. But yo, I am a rapping boy. I always do it. It's something that I enjoy. I ain't even try to toy with that bad crap. Everybody out there just trying to rap. But me, I got a message. I have an intention. This is how I'm doing. Everybody's messing with me because I am a Christ boy. I don't even see why they gotta go against me. But really, I'ma smack that. I don't even care how I'm having fun on the freaking track, doing what I can. Yes, I have a heart attack, doing everything that I stand for. The one man risen up in heaven. Everybody sees him, well, not really. Yes, you can't see him, but I just say that because I have to speak it. And everybody over there standing underneath me. Yeah, so this is what I'm saying to you. I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy. I am, right? I'm a bad boy. Yo! I'ma kill you. I'ma do everything just to drill you. I don't really give a if you try to say stuff against me, boy, trying to relate. No, you ain't like me, boy. I'ma whack your up, man. Why you gotta do that, man? Why you gotta give a I ain't even trying to do this for you, son. I just do it this. I just get it done. I'ma snipe you. I'ma crack you. I don't even know if that was a real word, but I'm gonna do it. I'll improve it, and I'll come down on your butt and screw it. I ain't mean that though. No homo. Yo, I'm trying to go for a change. I don't really care if I am sounding on the range. Yo, and that is how you do it. That is how you go. That is how you lose it. That is how you do it. And that is how you get it in the music, because that is everything that I am using. I don't really have intelligence. Yes, I am heaven sent. I don't really care if it's even speaking elegance. But I am getting better. Yes, I said I'm getting better, getting clever. I know this is horrible, but I have nothing else to do today. So, might as well, do this. Yeah, it's about to break down some crazy stuff right now. I don't even feel like I can do it. Alright, guess I gotta rap again. Let's see what I can do. I'm just gonna enter my mind and figure out words that rhyme. Irrigation, translation, allegation. I don't really care if I have this own preparation. I just doing it cause this is all our own celebration. I just do it for the taking. Yes, I am gonna make it. And I know I'm sounding faded, but everybody's naked cause I don't really care. Yes, I am just forsaken. I have awakened everything in my brain. Yes, it hasn't gone insane. I don't really care. I'm my own name, doing what I can't relate. This is how I translate. Everybody out there trying to go and get me, man. What the heck you gotta do that for? I ain't even do nothing to you, son. What? Yeah. This business is weird. This is just Monte. Hands connect.